I'm off out to sea. We're in the middle of nowhere. Good job, sir. Good job. We're spinning round. We're spinning round, sir. Sir. We're spinning in a circle, sir. Sir. Hello everybody, we are here at Caswell Bay. We're trying to work out the parking because it doesn't take card, so we might have to start begging for coins. But we are ready to roll, aren't we? We're going to do some beach diving, some sea diving and some kayaking. So stay tuned and enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's also started absolutely chucking it down. The one day of the week that is 25 degrees, not as hot as 34, no sun, just cloud and plenty of rain. So picked a hell of a day for it. But either way, we're getting wet anyway, it doesn't matter, does it? So we're going to dive in and see what's what. But the water's going to be a bit cloudy, I think, so hopefully we'll get a little bit more clearer later on and get a view of some little fishies. But enjoy the content, guys. Thank you for checking me out. And more of this stuff to come. Peace! Off to the beach we go. We are off.
Yeah, we are
back in the unknown.
We're in the underwater.
Going to do a little bit of a dip, get accustomed to it, and hopefully find some gold. Water is freezing, absolutely freezing. So we're doing a little bit of a little push around, and the water is going to be a little bit colder, I think. Bit of gold, bit of digging, who knows. Busy beach.
on. Wave rolling right
The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While we're devoting full time to floating under the sea. Down here, all the fish is happy as off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy. It's hard cause they in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky. They in for a worse of fate. One day when the boss get hungry,
Yes, you got me on the plate.
what no, under the sea. Under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks loves to cook. Under the sea, we after hook. We got no trouble. Life is the bubbles under the sea.
Under the sea,
Under the sea.
under the sea,
Since life is sweet here, we got the beat here naturally.
naturally.
Even the sturgeon and the ray, they did the urchin start to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea. The lute play the flute, the cop play the harp, the players play the bass, and they sound and sharp. The bass play the brass, the chub play the tub. The flute is the Duke of Soul.
Yeah.
The ray he can play the lings on the strings. The trout backing out the blackfish, he sings the spelt and the sprat. They know where it's at, they know that blowfish blow. Under the sea, when the sun beaming in the bikini, it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand. We got a hot crustacean band. Each little clown here know how to jam here under the sea. Each little slug here cutting a rug here under the sea. Each little snail here know how to whale here. That's why it's hotter under the water. Yeah, we in luck here down in the muck here under the sea.
Wow. We are now upgrading this way to the next stage.
One sec.
It's taken us this long to put it together,
Wait, stop.
but here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm off to find the Wizard of Oz, the greatest Wizard of Oz. We're in the middle of the sea.
We are.
All you can see is me.
Yeah.
We nearly capsized, but we're on the kayak.
Yeah, because you got on it.
We're on the kayak.
Yeah, we're on the kayak.
We're off to discover the great Wizard of Oz.
Look at this.
Hopefully a nice bit of treasure. Tons of jellies.
Sir.
You know, trying to film the jellyfish. Don't lean over too much, you'll take the boat. I'm gonna do this.
It's so crazy.
Don't hit him.
Guess how far out we are? I think we're in Morton County.
Where did this man learn to kayak? He got it from his cereal box.
You taught me how to. What are you on about? And we got
This is the life. This is the life. We're just chilling. This is the life.
Just chill. I'll just actually do it for me.
Maybe we could live stream from the middle of the ocean. Can we say, "G'day, mates. We're in the middle of the rapids. We're seeing a crocodile dude.